Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to this channel About Job. So, in this session, we will discuss the job openings from Europe, and the job is related to assistant manufacturing job. So, if you guys have a plan to move Europe, and if you have the same professional experience, then you can apply as soon as possible. And I will share with you how to apply and what is the requirements to apply for this job, and all the details we can discuss in this video. So, let's start. As you can see here, this is a job openings from Europe. Assistant manufacturing worker. Job description. Assistant manufacturing worker. So we are looking for candidates who have a worked in metal and plastic fabrication manufacturing of products from metal or plastic. We are looking for candidates who are precise. For example, workers who worked in engine factories, aluminum products, PVC products. Precision of the worker is the most important. So this is the related to job function or the related informations which professional you want to work. So knowledge and qualifications requirements. Assistant manufacturing worker, and I already shared with you. This is the profile. This is the job function you need to know before you apply. So roles and responsibilities. Assistant manufacturing worker. We are looking for a candidates who have a worked in metal and plastic applications. So I hope the information is regarding the manufacturing job. If you want to apply, then you can go to this website and you have to apply by following the steps. So as you can see here, this is a best opportunity from Europe. So I would like to suggest you, first of all, you need to know this is a opportunity from Europe and the job is manufacturing job, and the related job function is metal or plastic fabrication, manufacturing of products from metal or plastic. We are looking for candidates who are precise. For example, workers who work in engine factories, aluminum products, PVC products. If you have the same experience, then you can apply as soon as possible by the following websites. I already provided you in the descriptions below this video. This website you can find in the descriptions. You can collect these websites and you can apply by following these steps in this website. So hope you understand all the things what I am sharing with you right now. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. First of all, I would like to suggest you, if you have the same professional and you have a plan to move Europe, then first of all you need to apply by this website. Once you getting response from the client or the company, you can attend the interview. After that, you can discuss about the salary and all the details. So best of luck.